stop scrolling. This one is different. And if you comment, you get a medal. But only if you feel the vibe of this character. Look closely. This is Sprunki Bolaceleste. Half blue, half white. Perfectly split. Like two moods in one mind. His face looks calm, almost sleepy. One eye slightly lower, like he's either bored or thinking way deeper than everyone else. He's got those small antenna tips, like tiny sensors, as if he's constantly picking up sounds that nobody else can hear. His body is simple, clean, almost minimal. But that's the trick. Because Bolaceleste is not loud like other Sprunkis. He doesn't drop beats out of nowhere. He controls the mood. When I was sculpting him, I realized this is that type of character who doesn't chase the music. The music slows down for him. Imagine this. You're listening to a chaotic playlist. Loud, fast, messy. Then, Bolaceleste appears. Everything fades, the tempo drops, and suddenly, it's smooth, lo-fi, chill, perfect. But here's the funny part. He looks calm, but sometimes, just sometimes, his blue side takes over. And when it does, the beat flips. Not loud, but weird, unpredictable, slightly off. Like a remix you didn't expect, but somehow can't stop listening to. It's like he's constantly balancing two playlists in his head, one for relaxing and one for confusing everyone. And you never know which one you're gonna get. That little smirk on his face? Yeah, that's not accidental. He knows exactly what he's doing. Bolaceleste isn't here to impress you. He's here to change your vibe without you noticing. And by the time you realize it, you're already listening to his rhythm. So yeah, this is Sprunki Bolaceleste, the calmest chaos you'll ever hear. And if you made it this far, you earned your medal.